buy one of these. It's a good deal. Might want this.
Did you find anything?
Yeah, I found this gun and hey, it's the boss. He must have sent us a message. Huh. Wonder what he has to say.
Hello to TSF-45. We have a mission for you. We need you to eliminate the Alpha Squad. They're trying to hack into our computers. We need you to eliminate them quick because they're starting to hack into our
Looks like he gave us the message. We have to go find the Alpha Squad. Let's go get our guns. Let's go.
What do you think the guard was guarding? I don't know. Let's go check it out.
Let's go inside.
Here, I'll go this way.
Alright.
You find anything.
Sweet, a bike. Wow. Hey, come over here.
Okay, I'll come over. What you find?
Like, just in case anything happens.
I found one over there. What do you think they would use this boat for?
Maybe it's maybe the Navy squad or something like that. They even have a go-kart. Something suspicious over here.
Something seems weird about this place.
Yeah. Whoa, what the heck?
How do they get out?
Crap, we can't get out.
Shut it.
Who shut it? Whoa, what the heck? Ah!
Is he dead?
Yeah, I think I got him. You might want to turn on your tactical light.
Okay.
Alright. Hey, I think there's a ladder. Anyone can find.
Here, I'll turn off my tactical light because we won't really get in. Wonder where this goes.
Nowhere, actually. But it leads to something. It's not a very good place to hide it.
I'm sitting right here.
Alright. I'll set up the bipod because I don't think I see any guys back there. Oh!
Are you okay?
Yeah, I think so. I think we have to get out here because I think I found a key down here. There's a lot of stuff in here. I think I might have found the key. Not sure.
Here. Where'd you see the key?
I don't know, but I think I saw it over this bench. I'll get it. Here it is. But it's not the right key. Hold this. Got it.
Let's go back into the base.
Alright. Okay. Here, I'll go ahead first.
Okay.
Oh my god!
Are you okay?
I don't think so.
No! If there's another guards.
The TSF-45 right there. Hello?
You okay?
TSF-45, are you okay? Crap, he's dead. Dang it.
Oh. I'm gonna buy this gun.